Hi. Welcome to my channel, kanwalmedia 205. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a CV on Ms.Word. First, we will adjust the page size. For design a CV, always select A4 size. First, select the page border. In Page Layout tab, here you can see, there is an option of page border. By clicking on it, you can see, there are different types of page borders. You can choose any of them. Now, write your name on the top. Select the word art to write your name. To write your name, choose the color which is suitable, adjust its font size and place where they look suitable. Now, in the next line insert text box. Here, you will write your contact number and email address. Now, here you see, in the Insert tab, there is text box. Click on it, and you will insert here, a text box. To write objectives, I am writing my objectives here. You will also write your ambition. Now, insert another text box here, to write personal details, or personal identity. Here, you will write your father name, date of birth, your country ID card number, nationality, religion and house address. Now, draw another text box, to write qualification or education. I am drawing text box, then I will write my qualification. I leave blank space, but you do not leave blank space. You will write your own info in these blanks, when you will make your CV or resume. Now, after this, you will draw another text box, to write your professional skills. Here, I am drawing another text box. Then write skills. You can write your own skills, like if you are expert in English communication or speaking skills, you can write here. You can also write your computer skills, like, if you are expert in Ms. Office automation, graphic designing or any other computer skills, you can write here. Another special skills, if you have, you can also write here, like classroom management, child counseling etc. Now, draw another text box to write your experience. If you do not have any experience, you can write no experience, or if you attend any special training course, write it here, with its duration. I leave blank space, but you do not leave blank space, you will write your experience here. Now, this is done. This is how we design simple resume or CV. Here, you see how it looks. Save it on your computer and print after you design. In coming video, you will learn how to design professional CV on Ms. Word. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch more learning videos.